Welcome, today I'm showing how to customize your quick launch into a Samsung Galaxy F23. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into Advanced Features option. Here go into Side key, and now you can activate this option. Press here on this feature, this position it's turn off this option, and this is activate. And when you activate, you got two options from the list, so quick launch camera or open application. If you wanted to change your application, click here on the settings and choose your application from the list. So maybe it will be Play Store. Let's try. Double press to our power key, and how you can see, our Play Store is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.